This is a cylinder. It can sneeze. Achoo! Bless you. Thank you. Disclaimer: this is not for beginners. I do suggest studying step by step in creating rigs here in Blender, but if you don't have the time, I'll just make it simple for you guys. Step 1. Add a mesh. It can be anything: a spear, a monkey, or a cylinder. We'll be using the cylinder because it is easy to do with this mesh, but any mesh will do. Step 2. Split the mesh into two. By pressing Ctrl R, you will trigger the loop cut. Make sure you horizontally split the mesh in half. After that, you select the below part of the mesh and click Y to split the mesh separately. Step 3. Go to your geometric node and add merge by distance. So any separate closed vertices will merge into one, giving it a seamless transition between closed to open. However, it would lead to problems if other vertices get near one another. To prevent this, you have to drag this selection into the input. Then go to Object Data Properties in the Vertex group. Select the split part of the mesh and make a vertex group. I name it MBD, which stands for Merge by Distance. After all that, go to your modifier properties and go to the geometric node modifier. Click this toggle, which looks like a cross, then select this text box and select the vertex group. This way, only the vertex group will merge, not affecting the other vertex. Step 4. Rigging the setup. Disclaimer: not all mesh is the same. This step will be different depending on your experience or model. But just for demonstration, this is how I rig the setup. First, select the first half of the mesh by clicking L, and then click Shift H to isolate the selected mesh. Go to your mesh and select one of the vertices, then click Shift S and select Cursor to Select. This way, when you make your armature or bones, it will go to the exact location of that vertex. Do this couple of times in each vertex. Once you are done, you can now parent the mesh to the armature. Select the mesh first and then the armature. Click Ctrl P and click Armature Deform Automatic Weights. However, sometimes not all vertices would parent to their respective bone, so you have to manually fix it on the Object Data Properties. You can add some subdivision or solidify modifier to make the setup more popped, but it depends on your model though. It's optional. And you're done. Thank you for watching. The first thing that pops out in my head when I saw this is that Jack's getting choked by Zobel on the show. I got this video idea from Louis Demont. He made a breakdown on his mug animation in Blender and other stuff. While watching his video, I saw this thing he did on Geometric Node, which is the Merge by Distance node. I will leave down below the link of Louis Demont breakdown video. You can guys give me support. So remember guys, drink your water and like and subscribe. Yeah.